Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create multiple users on Motorola Edge Plus. Firstly, go into the settings. Now scroll to the very bottom. Now go into system, multiple users, use multiple users, add a user, OK. Select a nickname for the user, tap on OK. And now if you would like to switch in between the users, you have to double pull from the top of your screen to the bottom twice, and now tap on this icon, and now choose the user that you would like to log in into. Let's choose a newly created one, right? And that's basically going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.